FLOKI have done a 700% increase in price within 2 weeks. This is just absolutely insane, and in the today's update I'm simply going to show you what we can expect next after all these crazy predictions we have been able to do on this asset. We have been able to plan this drop, to buy the dip, to ride this up, and to buy every single, I mean not that one, but this one here, this smaller one here, and to sell exactly on the current top we have done at the moment just to take profit a bit. This is just absolutely insane. So just to remind you what we was looking for in the last updates, okay, I'm gonna add everything here. It was simply, you know, so looking for the smaller wave first of all, the pink ones here, 1, 2, 3, or 5. After we have done this, we're simply looking for that wave 4 retracement. Before to look for the wave 5, this was just right here, okay, I was looking for that green wave 4 to buy that dip and look for the nice increase in price again, and this green wave 5 will simply complete this white wave 3. So we did got the bounce, we did got the drop exactly into our target, we did got the bounce from here, and we've got this nice green wave 5 really, and into that wave 5 we simply have to count 5 waves. So the last update was simply this, okay, we're simply looking for this 1, 2, 3, 4, and this nice increase in price again, these pink 5 waves to complete this green wave 5 and to complete this white wave 3. So after this wave 3 should come a wave 4, so a bit of a pullback really. Okay, this is exactly what I was looking for, and by the way, the smaller wave here was, we have been able to trade this not on YouTube if I'm not mistaken, but on the Discord server. So if you want to stay updated, there are a bunch of channels here on the Discord server for absolutely free. For example, here this was a pink wave 4 long trade, pink wave 4 right to the, up to the wave 5, and this was a green wave 4 bottom, as you can see around $0.11 here. All of this was planned and all of this is free, so if you want to stay updated, well, I'm a day trader, so I'm gonna post some TAs in there. If it's needed, I'm going to really post and keep updated every I'm just going to update the coins I'm trading really. Simple as that. You also have some Bitcoin updates and everything, and by the way, if you want to learn how to make such predictions, well, you've come to the right place, simply because there are already, I mean, there is a new Elliott Wave course on the website, and there are already 2 lessons available, and all of this for absolutely free. You will be able, more of this, to play a contest in April. It's coming in April, so in 2-3 weeks, and you will be able to win up to $300. I mean, a $300 prize pool. The first one will get $150, the second one $100, and the third one $50. So if you want to get a chance, well, simply go on the website, sign up for free, and learn the course. And then you just have to play the contest, and by the ranking, well, we'll see which one is winning really. Simple as that really. And of course, next we're going to continue with 6 more courses, but again, there are 10 courses. The 4 first courses really are absolutely free, and this represents really more than half already of the full Elliott Wave course. So it's why you announce, if you don't want to pay anything, if you want to continue next, you will have to sign up as apprentice to continue with me really and get the next courses, but otherwise the first 4 ones are absolutely announced if you don't want to learn more than this. Anyways, if you want to get the calendar, simply, I mean the planning really, simply go and check out your account page. You have everything and more details in there. So now, on this being said, let's continue with this technical analysis. So the thing is, now we was looking, you know, for this nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got them. Now the thing is, how was it possible to plan these targets? Well, as I said in the last update, you just have to use the extension tool. We're looking for an extension, so we take the extension tool, and to find the wave 5 targets, you just have to take the extension tool, click first on the wave 1 root, second on the wave 1 top, and third on the wave 4 bottom. From here, add the following targets: the 618, 121 extension, 1618, and the 2618. I'm just going to move this a bit more on the right because I already have the targets really. So the 618 bring us with what? Okay, so the first target really bring us with a wave 5 that stopped before the wave 3 top. Okay, so to speak, not this, it is right there, the wave 5. Okay, oops, if I can catch this, the 618 here, so the yellow level. Okay, clearly bring us with a bam, wave 5 truncated, so to speak, a wave 5 has stopped before the wave 3 top, and this in terms of probability is a lot less probable. The most probable is to not make a wave 5 truncated, so to speak, go past the wave 3 top. So the first most probable target is simply here, the 121 extension, and so this is for the moment where we find our resistance. Is it possible to go higher? Yes, we can look for higher prices. As you can see, we'll have some higher targets. So if, for example, FLOKI here start to make a bigger impulsive to the upside, so to speak, to make a longer wave 5 here and make a bigger wave 1, 2, 3, or 5 here to the upside, just gonna do this so I can take the same wave shape, so to speak, where we can look simply for a bigger wave 1, a bigger wave 2, and then a bigger wave 3 4, 5 to complete this and go into the higher targets above. Now, this is in case we'll have to push higher. Am I going to long here? No, because I'm already long from lower and long from lower. So I'm not going to long this one here because, well, we need to confirm which one is going to play out. It all depends of Bitcoin. Thing is now, if we start to push higher, so this will be the wave count, we're simply going to look in that case for a longer green wave and a longer wave 3 to be completed later. Now, this is in case we push higher, just remain in your long, take profit, say your stop loss as stop profit, so you don't take any loss, and now you're done. You made money in any case, so you don't really care. You can take 50%, 75, 25%, you do as you want, okay? It's really up to you. Now the thing is here, this is in case we push higher, right? It all depends on Bitcoin. If now Bitcoin starts to retrace a bit, well, everything is going to pull back, and so we can simply look for a nice, well, wave completed here. So I'm more going to take something like this personally. And so what we'll have to do here is simply to look for the pullback here that is simply a wave for retracement of these waves right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just gonna remove and hide for the moment these targets there. I don't know where this is. It's right there. Perfect. So I'm gonna add pink wave 5 targets. Oops. Perfect. Gonna move this a bit below here so we don't get too much stuff on the chart here, and we are done normally. That should be announced. Gonna add this as a wave 5. Oops. And so after this we are done. So green wave 5. Oops. Not to R, to E. Nice. And right there, so we can remove this, and so it's better now. We can see a lot better what's going on. So the thing is here, after, you know, if we start to pull back from here, we simply have to plan the targets of this wave 4. It's really simple, really. It's absolutely, it's really simple. You're going to see just before to plan all of this, so you can already see, but on the chart how it looks like. But just 2 seconds, everything is moving. Yes, quite a bit. Before to look for this target and everything, I just want to show you the higher time frame wave again, just so you can understand in what wave we are and what we can look for really. So these white waves, okay, this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are simply the smaller wave of a bigger wave 3. So to speak here, we'll have this nice blue wave 1, 2, oops, right here, this nice wave 3, the wave 4, and then the wave 5. And so these white waves you can see right here, I'm just going to increase everything a bit the opacity here so we can see a bit better everything, so you can really understand what I mean. Perfect. So this blue wave 3 have and need to get 5 waves. A wave 1, 3, and 5 have 5 waves. So into that wave 3, it's like Russian dolls, we have some 5 waves. Again, into this wave 1, 3, and 5, into the white ones, we need to get 5 waves. So into this white wave 3, we have the green 5 waves, and for example here into the green wave 3 we have the pink 5 waves, and into this green wave 5 we have this nice pink 5 waves that are, by the way, not here, right here. Simple as that really. So these white waves will simply complete this bigger wave 3. So after this we have another wave 4, another wave 5, and this will complete again another bigger wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and for this we're going to spend a lot more time to complete the wave 4 and then the wave 5. Okay, just so we can really understand what we are. So now we know this, so how to plan the next possible move if we have to retrace from here and we don't go, you know, for the higher targets. Well, we're going to look for this retracement. To find the targets, we're going to look for a retracement, right? So simply take the retracement tool. From here, click first on the wave 3 top down to the wave 3 root. So here, the wave 2 bottom, really the wave 3 root. From here, you're simply going, oh, by the way, do the opposite. It depends as always if you reverse your tool in the tool settings. If you did not, it's from the bottom to the top. I did reversal, so it's from the, I did reverse it, sorry, so it's from the top to the bottom. From here, at the following targets, 23.6, MCFIB, so 31.32, 38.2, and the 50%. Be aware of here, we are in some massive, absolutely crazy extensions. We break every single wave 3 targets, so it's absolutely normal to go and touch the 618, 66%. Just be aware of this. In case we go that down, it's fine, as long as we don't break, of course, the RSI and everything. So now, if we retrace from here, it's very simple. This is a buy zone, so speak between 0, I'm not going to say all the 0, but I mean 30.23 down to 30.16 dollars. Okay, we can still go down to 30.11. It's possible, maybe swing for pound this also is possible. So be aware of with your stop loss, don't be too aggressive. For example, if this is the, I mean, because this is a long trade really, as you understood. Okay, this is a possible long trade we can look for if we have to pull back from here. Don't be too aggressive with your stop loss. Place it around, you know, the 7x6, so we don't do a wick in and we come back up, and so you're stopped out, and so we keep raising next, just to avoid such situation really. So this is a target really, and after this wave 4, well, we are simply going to look again for this wave 5. Same for this, you know, wave 4, pull back, wave 5, wave 4, pull back, wave 5, and we look for the rise. How can we find a wave 5 targets? Well, normally we can use the extension tool. Click first, you know, on the wave 1 root right here, click second on the wave 1 top, so around there, and third click on the wave 4 bottom. The thing is, as we are now in some crazy extension, you can see this is not useful to use the extension tool. So how can you find the targets? Same as for the green wave 5, we are simply going to count the smaller waves. Same as the wave 5 is going to be exactly the same here. We're going to wait for this wave 1, 2 to be formed, and next we're going to add the wave 3 targets. Same for that one here, you just have to take the extension tool, click first wave 1 root, bam, second click wave 1 top, third click wave 2 bottom, by the way here, add the wave 3 targets, and you can see here we stop on the 200%, 100%, 1618, 200%, 2618, 3618, 423.6. And after, for the wave 5, simply take the third click and place it on the wave 4 bottom, add the wave 5 targets, 618, 121 extension, 1618, 2618, and there you go, you have your targets for the waves. Simple as that really. And again for the wave 4, as usual, you take the retracement tool from the wave 3 top down to the wave 3 root, or as always the opposite, it depends if you reverse your tool or not. You add the wave 4 targets with the 50% still these days. This is something to be aware of. And again, this was a buy zone, and this is where we have been able to ride this nice again increase in price. Simple as that really. We're simply going to do this for the time. We're going to print the waves, and we're going to ride this smaller wave here. So if you want to stay updated, as always, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn notifications. I'm saying this for you, not for me. You know, I have my account, I have my trades, I'm good. It's for you if you want to stay updated. Make sure to do it. And if you can also like the content, like the videos, write some comments down below. It helps as always a lot. If you enjoy all this content, all these updates, you are making profit from this update. Really, this is the way you can thank me. So really, thank you so much if you take the time to do it. And if you want to stay updated, because I'm not all the time recording some videos, such as for example this wave 3, 4, 5 or the smaller wave, we have been writing this on the Discord server into the FLOKI Unstoppable channel here. I've been able to write all of this right here. This is absolutely crazy. And all of these channels again are absolutely free. You do not need to pay to join here or to unlock the channels. No, everything is free. I'm making my money from trading. That's it really, what can I say? And so if you want to learn your waves and learn how to make such predictions, as I said, you have a brand new Elliott course on the website. The 2 first lessons of this course are out and for absolutely free, and you will get the 4 first lessons for absolutely free, and after this you will be able to play a contest on the 4 first courses. And if you want to continue, you just have to sign up as apprentice, and you will be able to play 2 more contests with, of course, a bigger prize pool, and well, some 6 more courses. But as I said, the 4 first ones are really the most important ones. The basics, the extension retracement tool, the impulsive, all this impulsive stuff I'm covering here will be for absolutely free in this course. And next you start your learning with the correction wave derivatives, and all of this for free. Next, the 6 other courses are for some rare cases, some more correction waves, complex ones, all of this really. But yeah, the most important will be in these first 4 courses. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. Take care of you, this is important, and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.